Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing using your PLR as a bonus for your affiliates to use to promote your product. Now a smart but little used way to leverage PLR is for affiliate bonuses. And that means what you'd be doing is you'd have your affiliate apply to sell your product. Then you'd put together a bonus page for them with bonus products. Your affiliates would get the benefit of being able to offer their customers an added incentive to buy from their affiliate link. You get the benefit from having increased traffic from affiliates being able to be more successful and being more willing to promote your product. You will also benefit with an increased conversion rate because affiliates being able to offer high quality bonus means they're going to get more customers to be willing to buy through their affiliate link when they see the offer. Now, another reason for this high conversion rate is that a lot of the bad traffic is going to be filtered out by that bonus page. Because when they're not sure they really want the product, they're likely to drop out or stop at the bonus page. Now, with fewer interested people coming to the page where the offer is, your conversion rate should be much higher than you thought it might be. Now, in most cases, you will deliver the bonuses from the inside of your members area or on your download page. So you don't have to worry about handing the bonuses over to the affiliate to give them the opportunity to deliver it themselves. Most of the information product creators will handle it by putting those bonuses on the inside of their site. Now, if you choose to go this route, you do want to make sure you qualify your affiliates for that option. So in other words, you're going to have people who are going to come to you. They're going to get the bonuses, of course, under the auspices that they're going to be using them to promote your product. But you don't just want to give away bonuses. And in some cases, you may or may not necessarily have the right permission in order to give them away anyway. And you will also want to make sure that you have the rights to pass on that content to your affiliates. Now, in most cases, you want to have this in place well in advance of your actual launch. In essence, you're probably going to be offering two sets of bonuses. One set's going to be on your sales page. That's going to be a set of bonuses you are going to offer to the customers that are coming to your sales page. The other set of bonuses is going to be on a bonus page for your affiliates, but delivered by you inside of your members area. Now, what this does is it makes it easier for your affiliates to get started promoting right away as soon as they see the offer and as soon as they have the opportunity. And of course, as we stated, it also improves the statistics for your product, which in turn could result in more affiliates wanting to promote your product. Now, to start this process, you are going to want to determine what other vendors are doing on behalf of their affiliates. And you can do this by going to a site like muncheye.com and then looking at some of the JV pages. Now, you will want to go one step further in determining what kinds of bonuses are being given to the affiliates to promote those products. You will find that some vendors and some sellers are willing to give the bonuses to their affiliates. Others will give them the bonus page and the images and then deliver them inside of the product. Of course, the latter way is effective because it removes barriers to affiliates being able to send emails to their buyers. So all of these are great ways to use PLR, and once again, it builds your sales, improves your statistics, and can invite other affiliates in directly by improving those statistics. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.